Hey friends, if Windows put notifications user service has stopped working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the WPN user service status. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the WPN status one. Windows push notifications user service, double click on it and then make sure that it's started and it's all at automatic, and still in that case right click on it and select restart. The next one will be an SFC scan. Okay, although I think that just checking the status of the service should be working because the issue is with the service, but if it doesn't help, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is system restore. Okay, search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Now click on open system restore, click on next, select a good restore point, click on next, and finally click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.